Spring is near when New Yorkers stop slipping and start dodging because the sidewalks are revealing a nasty surprise.
Elijah Westbrook joins us live from Fort Greene Park in Brooklyn. And Elijah, when doling out the reports this morning, we said, okay, one of these really stinks. Sadly, you drew that straw.
Exactly. Good morning to you. You know what? I'll do my best to spare you the visuals this morning, Chris and Mary, but because according to residents we had the chance to talk to, the sidewalks are really telling quite the story this morning. All right, here we go. Take a good look at your screen there. Thank goodness for emojis, because we are talking about dog waste this morning. That's right. Instead of just yellow snow, residents we talked to say they are dodging much worse. So far this year, there have been 821 complaints about dog waste compared to 527 this time last year. That's a sharp jump, and most of those complaints came in just this month as the snow began to melt. And guess what? Brooklyn leads the city with alternate side parking suspended since last month, and again today. Street sweepers haven't been able to fully tackle the buildup. People we caught up with say they've had enough, urging dog owners to do their part.
People should be more civil-minded, take care of things because it benefits all of us.
Nobody can go anywhere. Everybody's slipping. It's disgusting. The poop, the pee. It's really embarrassing.
Against the law. And now keep in mind, it's against the law not to clean up after your dog, and it could cost you $250. But sanitation officials say without catching someone in the act, tickets are tough to issue. So back out here live, we're all doing our part right now to remind you about this nasty problem. Here's a sign right here. It says, "Be a good neighbor, clean up after your dog." It's all that simple, right, Chris and Mary? I'll send it back to you live right now from Fort Greene, Brooklyn.
It looks like there's poop on the sign, right?
Yeah, it looks like maybe. Yeah, could be.
I mean, yeah.
I think it's just rust. We'll leave it at that.
I've had to dodge plenty of emojis, I'll tell you. It's been a mess out there.
Yeah.
Elijah, thank you.